A patient dies during surgery and we bring a lawsuit against a number of different doctors. Why would I then let out one of the doctors, an anesthesiologist, during the course of the lawsuit? Would you like to learn why? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, as part of this lawsuit, we were claiming that the doctors violated the basic standards of medical and surgical care, and as a result of their carelessness, now this patient died. One of the doctors that we brought into the lawsuit was the anesthesiologist who was involved in resuscitating this patient. I had an opportunity to question this doctor, the anesthesiologist, during a pretrial testimony known as a deposition. And it was only after I finished questioning the doctor did I call over his attorney. And I had a very honest discussion with his attorney. I said, I want to share something with you. Based upon the testimony your client has given, based upon my review of the records, together with my expert's review of the records, I don't feel that your client deserves to be in this case. I'm going to be letting your client out of this lawsuit. Now, why would I do that? Well, the reason is, when we bring a lawsuit, we have to evaluate and determine who is careless here, who is the one responsible for your injuries. Now, at the beginning of the case, we may not have a clear understanding of exactly what each doctor and each healthcare professional did to cause or contribute to the injuries or to the death. And that's exactly what happened here. We had brought in a number of doctors who we believe were responsible for this patient's death. And now, after I had a chance to question the doctor, I learned key information that we never had before that was not recorded in the records. And as a result of that, we didn't know this information. Once I learned this information, it became quite clear that this anesthesiologist had nothing whatsoever to do with this patient's death. So the right thing to do is to let the doctor out of the lawsuit and continue the case on against the remaining doctors and defendants. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on during the litigation process in a medical malpractice or a wrongful death case here in the state of New York. I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.